Need quick, healthy recipes with stuff you've got at home? I've got 5 easy ones, like lavender tonics and berry smoothies, using everyday items like honey and lemon. No fancy ingredients, just simple steps to make you a kitchen star. Hit play and comment your favorite home recipe below. Lavender is helping people achieve restful sleep with its soothing properties. Its calming scent is slowing down the nervous system, making it easier to relax at bedtime. Research from Healthline shows that inhaling lavender oil before sleep is improving sleep quality for those with insomnia. By using it in aromatherapy or as a pillow spray, it becomes a natural sleep aid. Studies are suggesting it increases melatonin levels, enhancing deep sleep cycles. This herb is providing a gentle solution for restless nights, reducing tossing and turning. It's becoming a go-to remedy for anyone seeking peaceful slumber. Lavender is alleviating anxiety and stress through its relaxing aroma. It is interacting with the brain's limbic system, which controls emotions, to lower cortisol levels. WebMD notes that lavender oil capsules or aromatherapy are reducing anxiety symptoms effectively. By inhaling its scent, calmness is spreading throughout the body, easing tense muscles. Studies are showing it outperforms some placebos in clinical trials for mild anxiety. This plant is offering a natural alternative to medications, helping people manage daily pressures. It's becoming a popular choice for those needing emotional balance. Lavender is benefiting skin with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities. It is soothing irritated skin, reducing redness from acne or sunburn, according to health.com. The oil is promoting healing by speeding up wound recovery. As studies suggest, it boosts collagen production. By applying diluted lavender oil, scarring becomes less noticeable over time. It is also fighting bacteria that cause infections, keeping skin clear. Dermatologists are recommending it for its gentle, natural effects. This herb is proving to be a versatile skincare ally, enhancing complexion naturally. Lavender is easing pain and inflammation with its analgesic properties. It is reducing discomfort from headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain when massaged onto the skin, per Medical News Today. Research is indicating that lavender aromatherapy helps lower pain intensity after surgeries. By calming inflamed tissues, it becomes a complementary relief option. The flavonoids in lavender are combating swelling naturally, offering comfort without harsh drugs. It's providing a soothing effect that many are turning to for chronic or acute pain management. Lavender is uplifting mood and combating depression with its antidepressant effects. It is stimulating the brain to release feel-good chemicals like serotonin, as noted by Verywell Mind. Inhaling lavender oil or drinking lavender tea is reducing depressive symptoms in small studies. By creating a calming atmosphere, it becomes a mood enhancer for daily use. Research is showing it helps postpartum women feel less overwhelmed. This herb is offering emotional support, making it a favorite for mental wellness routines. Lavender is supporting digestion by relaxing the gut and reducing bloating. It is acting as a carminative, helping expel gas and ease stomach cramps, according to Organic Facts. Drinking lavender tea is soothing digestive muscles, improving overall comfort after meals. By calming the nervous system, it becomes a remedy for stress-related digestive issues. Studies are suggesting its anti-inflammatory properties help with colitis symptoms. This plant is providing a gentle way to maintain gut health, appealing to those seeking natural solutions. Lavender is promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss with its nourishing properties. It is improving scalp circulation when massaged as an oil, per a Mount Sinai study. Research is showing it helps with alopecia areata, encouraging thicker hair over months. By fighting scalp inflammation and bacteria, it becomes a natural hair tonic. The oil is strengthening hair follicles, reducing breakage effectively. This herb is gaining attention as a safe, aromatic way to enhance hair health. Lavender is repelling insects like mosquitoes and moths with its strong scent. It is acting as a natural deterrent when planted in gardens or used as an oil, according to HGTV. The compounds linalool and camphor are driving bugs away without toxic chemicals. By placing lavender sachets in closets, it becomes a protector for clothes. Studies are confirming its effectiveness against pests, making it eco-friendly. This plant is offering a pleasant, practical solution for insect control indoors and out. Lavender is aiding respiratory health by reducing inflammation in airways. It is helping relieve allergic reactions and asthma symptoms when inhaled, as per Everyday Health. The oil is loosening mucus, making breathing easier during colds. By calming bronchial spasms, it becomes a supportive remedy for respiratory discomfort. Research is suggesting its antimicrobial properties fight respiratory infections. This herb is providing a fragrant way to clear airways naturally, appealing to those with seasonal allergies. Lavender is accelerating wound healing with its antiseptic and regenerative effects. It is preventing infections in cuts and burns by killing bacteria, according to a 2020 study on Medical News Today. The oil is stimulating skin cell growth, reducing healing time significantly. By applying it diluted, scarring becomes minimized over time. Studies are showing it outperforms some traditional ointments in early wound stages. This plant is offering a natural, aromatic option for faster recovery from minor injuries. So, what can we make using lavender? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Place 1 tablespoon dried lavender flowers and 1 teaspoon grated ginger in a cup. Pour 1 cup hot water over them and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, then stir in 1 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Sip warm before bed. Use nightly for better sleep. Combine 1 teaspoon dried lavender flowers and 5 fresh mint leaves in a teapot. Add 1 cup hot water and steep for 5 minutes. Strain into a cup, add 1 teaspoon honey, and top with 1 lemon slice. Drink warm to unwind. Use 2 to 3 times a week to reduce stress. Infuse 2 tablespoons dried lavender flowers and 2 minced garlic cloves in 1/4 cup olive oil over low heat for 20 minutes. Strain, then mix in 1 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon chopped rosemary while warm. Cool and store in a jar. Apply to cuts or muscles daily as needed. Simmer 1 tablespoon dried lavender flowers, 1/4 cup chopped onion, and 1 teaspoon grated ginger in 1 cup water for 15 minutes. Strain, then mix with 1/2 cup honey and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Store in a jar. Take 1 teaspoon as needed for coughs, up to 3 times daily. Blend 1 teaspoon dried lavender flowers, 1 cup mixed berries, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh basil, and a pinch of salt with 1/2 cup water until smooth. Serve chilled. Enjoy 3 to 4 times a week for digestive health. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.